What's up, everybody? This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge. We're going to check out some Bloody Marys today. Dimitri's sent us some great Bloody Mary mixtures. I've never had a Bloody Mary before, but I'm going to this evening thanks to Dimitri's. First off, let's check it. Bacon flavored rim shot goes around the edge of your glass. You can see there's kind of what it is. So it has a nice bacony flavor to it. Next up, TSA approved packages for the actual, big part of the Bloody Mary that has the Worcestershire sauce, the spices, the chili pepper, the horseradish, the lemon juice, the red pepper, and the celery seed. And finally, you can stir it all up with your pepperoni straws. That's pretty awesome, right? So, all right, we're gonna get our base. You gotta put a little vodka in there, right? Is that about right? You do more or less, let me know. All right, then I'm gonna come in with my tomato juice. Pour it on in. And then we're going to cap it. One of these Dimitri's all-natural Bloody Mary seasonings. Has a brownish Worcestershire sauce type look to it. That's the primary ingredient. Alright, and then we're going to take one of these pepperoni straws out and stir it all up. And then from there, you would cheers it up. Straws work. My first time having a Bloody Mary on camera for you people tonight. It has a spicy flavor to it. This is something that I could probably drink like one Bloody Mary, but drinking them all night may be a little tough for me. Let me try the rim shot too. Now the rim shot has really good flavor. On the rim of the glass, has nice bacon, kind of salty flavor to it. That's real good. So again, this is Luke with Tailgating Challenge. This is the Dimitri's lineup. If you want to take your Bloody Mary game to the next level, check out Dimitri's. Cheers!